Yeah. Can you see this? Right. Can you see this, friends?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, good. Okay, now you tell me what are all trades that we are going to study? Come on, any one of you? What are the trades? 4 trades are there. I'm giving a clue. What are those 4 trades? What are those 4 trades? What, man? Morning only we saw. Hello. Friends. What are the 4 trades? Okay. Huh? Yeah. Now, can you see this? अभी clue दिया हमने.
Sheet metal.
Okay, sheet metal trade. Okay, sheet metal cutting is known as sheet metal cutting. Okay, CUTTI. Next, दूसरा वाला. Second one. Welding. Good. Welding. If it is going to be shop, we call it as welding shop. If it is going to be a shop, sheet metal shop. Shop is a place, whereas sheet metal cutting is an operation. Okay, and welding, then welding shop. Then third one.
Carpentry shop.
Carpenting.
Very good.
Carpenter.
CARPENTRY, carpentry. Please know the spelling. Then fourth one.
Fitting.
Fitting. So the corresponding shops are there. Okay. So can any one of you tell what is sheet metal cutting, or what is done in a sheet metal cutting shop? Come on. अरे क्या बन रहा है यार शीट मेटल कटिंग शॉप में?
Cutting sheets.
Okay.
Rectangular tray making.
Yeah. So we are making we are forming objects. We are forming objects that are made of what? Metal sheets. Please be very clear. Metal sheets. What are the 2 classification of metal sheets? What are the 2 classification? One is going to be ferrous. The other one is going to be non-ferrous.
Non-ferrous.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
right. Okay. What are the ferrous one?
One having iron.
Huh?
Iron.
Okay.
Ferrous
Iron.
having iron.
Iron. क्या हुआ यार? Something. Okay, right. Okay, one is going to be iron.
Ironic.
The iron, or it is known as galvanized iron. Okay, GI sheet, galvanized iron,
Trades.
or
Trades the
GI.
sheet metal cutting. The sheet metal cutting అంటే forming objects 15 sheets. Iron అంటే galvanized iron, ferrous, non-ferrous. Iron, galvanized iron, GI sheets. Okay.
Who is speaking, man? Okay, the non-ferrous sheets are aluminium,
Aluminium, zinc, nickel, lead,
zinc,
tin.
then
Tin.
lead, LED LED. Okay,
Yes, sir.
LED LED. Then
Tin.
copper. Yeah, copper sheets also are there. And then even sometimes we use a brass sheet. What are the combination of brass? Brass is an alloy of
Copper and
copper and zinc.
Carbon.
Copper and zinc. Then bronze. Bronze is an alloy of copper, tin, right? Copper and tin. Please note
yes,
it.
sir, copper and tin.
Okay. Now, what is welding shop? What do we do in welding? We join the metal. That's all. Okay. Remaining definition we'll see in the respective classes. So we join the metal. There are 2 types of welding. Arc. Arey yaar, kya hua yaar? Why it is going like that? Okay. So welding 2. One is arc welding. The other one is what? gas welding. Okay, gas welding. Okay, okay. Now, what is carpentry? Carpentry is a woodworking process. Woodworking process. Okay. Right. Now, what is fitting? Fitting what? What do you mean fitting? Fitting is a work made on metal plates. Okay, metal plates. So here it is a metal sheet, there it is a metal plates. And to really, even the lathe and all, it is being added in the fitting. So these are the 4 trades. Okay, are you clear? Any doubt? Okay. The next one is what? Next one is what? Sheet metal cutting. Okay. Now, can anyone of you define what is sheet metal cutting? Anyone of you, can you define what is sheet metal cutting or sheet metal shop? What we do in sheet metal cutting? Follow. What we do? What we do, man?
Extracting sheets from
Cutting the sheets
Huh?
with helping measurements and then developing surfaces.
Okay. Okay. So, the sheet metal cutting is a process where we cut the sheets and form an object. Okay. The object may be any tray, or it may be funnel, or it may be a scoop, or I told you in chimney, right? Have you seen the chimney in hotels and all? Even nowadays, even in our home also we have chimneys. Yeah, all those sheets are made of what? By the sheet metal cutting. Okay, right. Okay. Next, an important parameter of sheet metal cutting is sheet thickness. Sheet thickness. What is the other way representing of sheet thickness? Sheet thickness in terms of millimeter. What is the other way? Huh? What is the other way, man? Gauge of the sheet. Gauge of the sheet. Gauge of the sheet means what? It is a number, that's all. Now, what is the relationship between these two? What is the relationship between
Inversely
these
proportional.
Proportional.
Yeah, inversely proportional. Okay. If the sheet thickness is going to be less, then the gauge number will be high. Okay. If the sheet thickness is going to be larger, the corresponding gauge number is going to be smaller. Okay. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Okay.
Yes,
right.
sir.
Now, can anyone of you tell what are the tools used in sheet metal cutting?
Scrubbers.
Very good. So to start with scriber, very good, excellent, good. Next, scriber.
Steel ruler.
Hammer.
Very good, very good, very good.
Dividers.
Hammer.
A hammer, very good. Hammer.
Divider.
Okay. Hammer.
Dividers.
Very good. Divider.
Punch.
Then, yeah, punch. Very good. Dot punch. Okay. Then, उसके बाद
Snippers.
Square.
pardon?
Snipper.
Very good. Snipper is very important. Snipper and plier. PL. Then, उसके बाद
Cutting tools.
what cutting tool it is? Huh? Scriber, steel ruler, then hammer, divider, punch, snipper, then any other thing we saw? One important was mallet. Okay? Mallet. Okay? Yeah, and even anvil. Okay, you can take anvil. So anvil is a basic forge. I mean, it is made of forging, and onto which you place the metal sheet, and then you do all this shaping. Okay, maybe now remaining part of the video we may see it. Okay, are you clear with this? So these are the tools used in metal cutting, and so you know what is a sheet metal. Now, what is the aim of this first exercise? What will you write aim? To create an rectangular tray using what? What sheet it is? It may be GA sheet or it may be aluminum, whatever it is. GA sheet in sheet metal cutting shop. Sheet metal cutting shop. Okay, so this is how normally we used to write an observation. Okay, first you need to write an aim, then you need to write the tools required, as I mentioned over here, and then you have to do the layout. Come on, what is layout? Anybody? Friends? Okay, before getting into layout, which is a engineering drawing which is used in sheet metal cutting? Engineering drawing. Which topic? Engineering drawing. Which topic, man? Hey, bolo yaar.
Section of solids.
Development of surface. Please note it. Development of surface. Development of surface. Yeah. Is it clear? Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now how the development
Yes,
of
sir.
surface is coming. Okay. Now how the development of surface is. Okay. Now just check this. Okay. I'll show it how it is done. Okay. Say for example, you have a object like this. Okay. So can you see this Jamboard I am drawing? All people are able to
Yes,
see
sir.
it.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now can any of you tell what is this solid known as?
Cuboid.
Cuboid.
Pardon? Cuboid. Arey yaar, it's
Prism.
not a cuboid yaar.
Square
Very
pyramid.
good. It is a pyramid. You.
Square prism.
Maji, it is not prism. Okay, pyramid. It is a prism. Okay, it is a prism. What is a prism? What is the definition of a prism? What is the definition of a prism? Prism is a solid, okay, where it has a rectangular faces. Rectangular faces. Okay? Rectangular. So these are all rectangular faces. Is it okay? Yes or no?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, this is rectangular face. This is a rectangular face. Another rectangular face. Okay, another rectangular face. Okay. Now, so not only we need to define this rectangular face, further. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. So not only rectangular faces, then what should be the base? What should be the base? Now, which are the bases? These are the bases: top base and bottom base. Okay. What is the shape of the base?
Square.
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 Very good. Therefore, now what it is known as? This is known as, it is a square prism. PRISM. Is it okay? For this
Yes,
square
sir.
prism, how many faces are there? How many rectangular faces are there?
4.
4.
Very good, very good. 4 rectangular faces. Okay? Yes or no? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. How many bases are there?
2.
2.
2.
Very good. 2 bases are there. What are the shape of the base here? It is a square. Okay. Now you tell me what is this? Now, friends, you tell me what is this?
Triangular prism.
Very good. It is a triangular prism. Where we use a triangular prism? In your physics? Huh? Hey, you're using. It is a triangular prism. What to find? Huh?
Triangular free fraction.
Angle of deviation.
Refraction. Okay, all these things we find. We used to find. Is it clear? So this is a. Okay. Now what happens is, okay, now what we need to do when we want to develop a surface, your teacher would have thought about the projection of solid. Okay, let me take. Okay, let me take this as a front view. अरे यार ये क्या है यार? एक what is this actually? Selection, huh? Okay, no problem. Leave it. Okay. So this is the direction, correct? Now tell me what will be the front view, what will be the top view?
Front view with the rectangle and top
Front
view
view
with the
with-
square.
Very good, very good. And why only one answer? What about the other people? Huh? Okay, front view will be a top rectangle and top view will be a square.
Square.
It will be a square. Okay. Now what we need to do, we have to develop. So how to develop, man? How to do the development? So what we need to do is, please see here. Okay. So along this edge, I'm going to do the snipping. Okay, snipping tool, or by means of, so suppose say it is not a solid one, it is a hollow one. Okay. So I'll cut along this. Then what I do is I will expand it. Okay. So I will expand it. So what happens finally? Now you can see here, my friend. So once again, I'll draw. So what is this line? What is this line? Arey, bolo yaar. Huh?
Axis.
Axis line. It is a reference line. It is a reference line. So this is a top view, front view, and this is a top view. See, any engineer, irrespective of their branch, they should know engineering drawing. I don't know how the teacher, your teacher define engineering drawing. Normally, in my class, whenever I take engineering drawing, I used to define engineering drawing is a language of engineers. We have our own language, mother tongue. Okay, one. The another one is for engineers. Every engineer, irrespective, computer science, electrical, mechatronics, mechanical, civil, whatever it is, they should know engineering drawing, basics. They should be very thorough with the basics. Okay? Okay, suppose say you may ask, sir, what is this? I am only CSC, I need to write coding, this, that, why I know. Okay. Suppose say I want to draw this square automatically using a Corel Draw or some other software. Maybe I am not very conversant with with the drawing software and all. Okay, you may know it. Suppose say you want to draw, you want to write a coding. How will you know? Unless otherwise you know something about, okay, projection of a prism. In front view it will be a rectangle, in top view it will be a square. Okay, unless otherwise you know, then only you can write what? Very clear coding. Otherwise what will happen if you may be well versed in coding, but if you don't know the basics of engineering drawing, finally your coding, when it is executed, it will not draw the rectangle and square, it will draw only monkey. Am I right? Do you understand? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So therefore, my thinking, or even any eminent engineers, okay, they used to tell that, okay, any engineers, they should learn perfectly engineering drawing. Okay, even now it is not also late. Okay, you learn. Even if you have any doubt, I'll clear it. Don't worry. Okay. So now this is one. So now what we do cutting over here. So when you do the cutting and you expand it, okay, the expanded will be the form of a rectangle. Am I right? Is it not?
Yes, sir.
How many rectangular faces are there? 4. 1.
4.
Yeah. 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now what is that? So suppose say what I do is, okay, suppose say it is a square of 20. It is a square of 20 mm and height 100 mm. Okay. Okay. Let this square prism is QAR. Okay. Let the square prism of of base 20 mm and height 100 mm. Now what is the size of this layout?
80 mm.
18 to
Huh?
100. 18 to 100.
Very good. 80 into
100.
100. Very good.
100.
Yeah, height is 100, 80 is going to be. Okay, so this is the layout. So now in the morning video you would have seen it. Okay, so we have a rectangular tray. Then rectangular tray, what we do after it is being developed, then we find the what? The area, the layout. So one side is going to be 200, the other side is going to be 250. The bottom surface is going to be 120. Then For vertical 20 20, and then for folding, on one side we take 10, and other side we take 5 mm. Okay, so do you understand? So this is the simplest way. Okay, so more when we are seeing the next exercise in sheet metal drawing, sheet metal cutting, I will give you more what idea about this sheet metal. Okay, so now shall we go back to that video? Remaining part, shall we see it?
Yes, sir.
Is it okay? Are you sleeping, man? I think पेट भर गया क्या आप लोगों का पेट बहुत गया.
We are listening.
Yeah, okay. Right. So now we'll see that which one. நல்லா உள்ள தொடப்பத்தை உள்ள விட்டு போயிருக்க இப்படி இப்படி நோகாம நோமுக்கு சொல்லு மாமா சொல்ல கிளீன் பண்ணி தான் டைம் நமக்கு இதுக்கப்புறம் விட்டா திட்ட போலாம் இருந்தாலும் என்ன இருந்தாலும் உங்களால் சும்மா மாட்டீங்க நான் oh sorry man, I'm disturbing. Okay, let me wait, because I am in a actually machine shop, right? So that is a problem over here. Okay.
Stage, this is called layout.
Okay. So now we are in the next stage, cutting. So what are the first two stages?
Next level is cutting.
Friends, what are the two stages we saw? Arey kya yaar, what and all what we saw yaar before. Now you see this picture. Now tell me what we saw.
Here we are going to
We saw marking, is it not? First we saw what? Marking. Okay, now we are going for cutting. Okay? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
this hatch.
What are these hatch lines? What does this
The cutting
represent?
portion.
Yeah, that is, these are the portion which we need to remove. Okay? These are the portion which we need to remove. Okay, these are the portion which. So now you see here, after drawing the rectangular layout, and can you see this? The movement of the mouse. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this portion is going to be the lower portion, and this rectangle, and 4 rectangle will be the bounded surface, vertical bounded surface, and these are the hemming. Okay, bending. Right. Another this bending. Why we are giving this bending or hemming? In order to avoid any sharp edges. And now what happens? As such, you cannot cut it. Okay. So what we need to do? There is some portion where we need to remove. Okay. Then only it will facilitate to bend. Okay. Otherwise, it will not bend. So for that, what we do is, you see this. This is a square. So you take a top corner. Okay. Top half corner. And same way, this is a top right half corner. For this one, top left corner, and for this one, bottom left corner. This one, bottom right corner. So this is the way you have to understand. Okay, if you are there in the sheet metal, I need not tell you, because automatically, because when you do anything physically, so there will be some coordination between your mind and your limbs. Am I right? How you are running, man? Can anyone of you tell what is the principle behind running or eating?
Friction.
Yeah, very good. Friction. That's correct. Friction. But so what happens? Your mind gives some instruction to your limbs as well as to your legs in certain frequency, and accordingly it will move. Same way, even when you eat, what happens? You open the tiffin box and then you take a spoon. Okay, you take one lump. So when you are moving the teaspoon near your mouth, what happens? What will the mouth do? क्या करेंगे यार? मुंह क्या करेंगे? It will open. The lips will open. Am I right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, all these are done, okay, intuitively by the brain, okay, none other than brain. So same way, if you're doing it practically, it is okay, but if not, no problem. You just take this, have in your mind, okay. So this is going to be top right corner, and this is going to be top, left corner, and this is going to be bottom right corner, and this is going to be bottom left corner, okay. So like that, you need to mark it. Now we'll see what he does.
In this stage, this is called layout. First thing, before start marking, in this stage, this is called a blank.
Blank.
This
This is called as a
dimension
blank.
Means length and breadth, totally overall dimension. After complete that marking, so in this stage, this is called layout.
That is called layout, okay. One is blank, the next one is layout. So now you can see the cutting.
The next level is cutting. Here, for cutting purpose,
For cutting purpose,
this kind of tool. This is generally called straight snip.
straight
So
snipper.
what tool it has? This is tin man snip. With the help of this, you can cut vertical, horizontal, and then a diagonal. And
So
then,
you can cut
some
horizontal,
portions
vertical,
also
okay.
cut easily of this tool. When you going to use this tool, after collect this, don't pull like this because here one lock is here. So,
So,
how to remove this
yeah.
lock? Simply press
Press this, and then you release the lock.
If you release
Okay, the lock, then automatically it will expand.
then only you have to use.
Okay, okay, friends.
Now we are going to start
Now
cutting.
see how the sir is
Start
cutting.
So this is the position. Hold the sheet like this. First start cutting from your right side only. First we are going to remove this little portion. That means this space.
So this space is
fine.
going to
We are hatching
remove.
up to 30 plus. Slowly.
see,
you have to press
see how
this
slowly he is
this hand
cutting.
you have to press.
Okay, gently you have to do it.
So simply press. You have to cut along the line. Tip portion or 5 mm like this. Like this. Now cutting. Simply press.
That's all,
This is
okay?
our first cutting.
First cutting.
Second, here the second line is diagonal, but now you no need to cut the diagonal line because this is first time you are going to do on the line, place like this, cut along the line. You have to cut only up to hatching.
Okay.
This is your second cutting.
Second cutting.
So that now this sheet is flexible, so easy to cut this diagonal line. So keep like this on diagonal line. It's like a knife. Every corners are very sharp.
Be careful,
That what
okay?
you have to do. Don't
So that is why we need to wear the leather gloves. So
automatically it comes in.
now, do you understand how this triangular piece is being cut?
All the action motions.
Friends, what you need to do?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, first you need to cut along the straight line, and then diagonally you cut, so automatically this portion gets removed. Okay?
Complete this. What you have to do? Here, the tip portion is also sharp. For our safety, little bit you have to cut like this.
So for safety, sir is
No need of dimension.
skipping off in order to remove the sharp.
We are going to use for
Friends, just now I told you there is one component or one tool known as anvil. Very good, excellent. This is an anvil. So you can see now how the anvil is placed. Okay, the anvil is placed by this is a cement annular structure into which we have poured the sand, and on the top of this you have this anvil. So that in the anvil only we place the sheet and we used to fold. Okay, not only for sheet metal cutting, even for welding and even for smithy also we use this anvil. Okay, so why we are putting the sand over here? When we hit, what will happen? Okay, the vibrations are there. Okay, the mud in turn will take the vibration. It acts like an absorber, shock absorber. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear or not?
this called the anvil.
Anvil.
This base.
It is a casting. Please note it. It is a casting.
Lightning.
So this is a mallet.
Going to use this thing. It's made of wood. Name is
Mallet.
towards the bottom.
See now how he is doing.
How to place the wood? Name is
Yeah.
it should be folded outside. what is the angle of this folding is 180 degree. So now we are going to fold this 5 mm 180 degree towards the marking.
What is the next class?
How to place the sheet?
Sir,
We have next, huh?
You don't take this marking is.
What is the next class, man? Next star?
Sir, no energy for next class, sir.
Huh? You don't have, right? Okay, okay. Just 5 minutes, we'll run it on the leave.
Hidden, so it goes to bottom.
So
side.
see that how his hair is placing, okay? On the other side, you need to do it.
This is 5 mm.
This is
also
5 mm.
How to place this 5 mm?
This 5 mm for hemming, folding. So first you place that
From the
on the edge,
okay. Now hold it this way. Take
hold in
the-
that way, then gently tap it. Ah, 1, see, 2. So these are the 2 lockings. Okay, these are the 2 lockings. First you need to do.
Top to bottom.
Then slowly you have to strike on the other side.
You got one line. This space is exactly 5 mm. After that, this here. Slowly hit the line. This is 90. Then turn. Our aim is going to fold 180 degree. This is 90. This 90 degree. Again 90 degree.
Fold it on the, okay, so you are folding 180 degree.
Have to keep this folding motion. So now 180 is completely fold 180 degree.
So now see how he is folding. Ah.
So now 180 is completely fold 180 degree folded towards the back. The same way opposite side.
Same way on the other side, okay?
Hit the counter. So two heavy motion is slower. That means
So
here-
what is that process known as? What is this process known as? Hello? Hello? Hemming, please note it. It is known as hemming. Okay? H-E-M-M.
This telecom is also heavy motion. Now you are going to fold this telecom. This telecom. What's the reason for the base? We are going to lock this high overlap. Of this telecom, high overlap. We are going to lock. If you fold it, you miss the locking. So not possible to lock it. And then when we have to fold this and this base, the last only we are going to fold this telecom. This telecom. So now leave it. After completing these two, leave it. Now we are going to form the sides. For side forming, these markings and numbers. This is based. First, second, third, fourth. These 4 lines are the first line. First, we are going to fold like this 80 mm. So on the angle, so this portion outside by hand. On
So
the
now you can see the other way.
after that, push that.
Slowly you have to tap it.
This is only this is not towards the marking, opposite to marking, opposite to marking. Okay, like the same way, another side.
So you can see the other way it has been done. Once again, similarly the folding is done.
Like this, like this.
Then you keep at the one edge and then slowly you bend it.
going to push like this. Then this like this. Same way.
Same way the other way, the other vertical position.
Possible to fold 1, 2, 3. It's not possible to fold with a compact example. So we are going to use another stake.
Stake.
Rectangular stake. Now we are
So
going
this
to
is a anvil. Now see friends. So the remaining the remaining forming cannot be done on this anvil. So we go by a stake. Okay. So the stake in turn will give you the final forming. Okay, final forming. You can now see this. Please note it. This is called as a stake. All these are all supporting. Okay, component. Okay, or supporting in order to make a tray.
use this. This is rectangular stake.
Now you can see how the stake.
Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 sides steady. So base and side steady. So base like this.
Yeah. Now you can see how it is being done.
Now line. This line is reference line. Hold it this way. Hold this inside. Same way. Like this. Like this. Hold opposite side. Now we are going to overlap this till on the lock.
So see how the lock is being made.
Same way, four corners we have triangle. Okay. So how to fold this triangle means on this stake, you have to place like this. Here, same way, outside. So now we are going to overlap this till on.
So now you can see after hitting these two sides, now you have to fold this on this side so that these two gets locked. Okay. So first you need to fold the triangular portion and then you fold this rectangular portion. So same way need to be done on the other side. Okay.
On that,
So now you can see this. Yes. Finally, sir has made a. So final finishing need to be done.
here we want 80 mm, then this much is total height is the
Right. So is it okay?
Yes.
At least something you learned?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
No. Friends, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you there, man?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes or no, man? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir? Civil, sir? Sir is not there. It seems. Okay. So friends, you can leave. So we'll see in the next week. Okay. So before that, please see this. 1 minute.